Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment. That really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can check out the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a little small air purifier that is perfect for your bedroom, the kitchen, the office, living room, kind of smaller spaces. So once you order it, it's by a company called VEWIOR, and this is it right here, the box, and the model is the Clean Air A1. And then once you open it up, this is the purifier itself. So as you can see, it's nice and compact and small. And when you open it up here at the bottom, this is where the filter comes in. So right, you can see it has 4 little rubber feet that's going to keep it from sliding around. It is nice and small, so it will fit on either your desktop or you can put it on the floor, something like that. And then it has a nice tiny little drum filter here. Now this is a true HEPA filter. As you can see, it has the pleated filters in there, and then it has a nice little screen here that can catch like hair, dog hair, pet hair, whatever. And then in here, you see the black part. That is a active charcoal filter, so that's going to help reduce odor. So this will reduce your odors. It will get kind of pick up smoke. It will pick up dust, pollen, other environmental things. And it's got that HEPA quality, so that is really nice. And how you put this in on the bottom, you just slide it in there, and then this has like a little arrow right here, and it's kind of hard to see, but there is a unlock, and then you're just going to twist it to the side, and then there's a little lock icon, so you know how to put it back in. Now, you're going to want to change out the filters basically somewhere between 3 to 6 months, it's going to basically depend on how often you are utilizing this thing and how much the fan is running. So let's go over the settings of this. Well, before we do that, let's go over some of the features. So you can see it has all these little slots here around. This is where it is going to be pulling in the air, and then the air is going to come out the top. Now, what's really cool is if you see there's this little square here. If you pop this little piece off, which just put your nail in there and it comes off, it's going to have this little pad. And what this is an aromatherapy pad. So you can get some essential oils and put several drops on this, set it here, and as the air is blowing across it, it's going to kind of spread out those scents into your room. So if you're looking to create like a more relaxing environment, maybe you grab some lemongrass or you grab some lavender, you put it on here, turn on the air purifier, it's going to clean out that air, and then add the aroma also, which is really nice. Now, it does come with just a standard AC power cord. I got this already plugged in. Here is the other end adapter, and this is really nice and long, so if you do have it on your desk like I have here, it can plug into the outlet, which is just down on the bottom there. So on the back, you just slide it in like so, and you can see it will power on here. So you have the power button, you're simply going to press that, and it will turn on the screen. Now on the screen here, on the one side, it's going to tell you the parts per million reading, basically tell you your quality of air. In the middle button, it's going to tell you the fan mode that is currently running. And then over here is if you want to set this for a timer option, you can do that. So let's go over the features. So you have your fan mode. This is the lowest setting, and I'm going to be quiet here just so you can basically hear how loud it is. This is really, really quiet as far as the lowest setting, which is perfect if you want to run this at night in your bedroom. The fan sound's not going to bother you, unless, of course, you want to crank it up and use it as a white noise machine, which you could do also. So there is the lowest setting right there. That's the middle setting. And then this is the highest setting. Now, if you don't want to have the fan, you have this little A with a circle. What that does is that's the automatic mode. This is the mode that I basically keep it on because it will use basically however the readings are in the room. It's going to use those calculations to determine whether or not it needs to have a low fan or a high fan. If you have it set like that and the fan is running a lot lower, your filter is going to last a lot longer because it's not detecting as much pollens and whatnot. And then you'll really hear if like you blow out a candle next to it, or let's say you're cooking some bacon, something like that, this thing is going to really ramp up because it's going to detect those pollutants will make this number go really, really high. And then finally over here at the top, you're going to have the timer button. And essentially this is just going to let you automatically turn off. So I'll show you kind of that feature there and we'll just run through them. So as you can see, it is just adding time. And it'll go all the way up to a full day. And once it gets to that setting, or sorry, I'll go up to a half a day. And then it will just start back over. I don't really use the timer function. Like I said, I just leave it on the kind of auto, but the timer function I could see being useful. Like you come in, let's say you have this at the office. You're not there all day, right? So you just turn it on, select your amount of hours you're going to be at the desk, and then it'll automatically shut off. So you don't have to worry about remembering to turn it off before you leave. So that is a nice little feature that it has if you're interested in the timing. But yeah, that's basically the ins and outs of this little mini air purifier. The only thing I wish it had is I wish it had like some little handle that would make it a little bit easier to carry. But it is super lightweight, so it's not very heavy, so it makes it easy to move around. But if you are in the market for a nice little air purifier that would look good on your desk or in a small room, I think this is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I didn't cover that you're curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And like I said, check out the link in the description for more information on the product. And that is it. Until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.